Hi guys! Oh, ang dami ko na namang phone case. Dami-dami ko namang guys. Look at that guys. Hi guys! Tatay kami. Yeah, welcome sa vlog. O, diba? Puro na lang vlog. O, welcome to my guys. Ang cute, diba? Hi guys! Ilan ba kayo guys? Quiet daw, quiet. Quiet daw guys! Look at that guys! Pwede ladies naman. Guys. Ano, ang guys ba? Babae or lalaki, Tina? Ha guys? Oh, si ate guys! Oh, ate guys! Hello, ate guys!
Mommy, what does lalaki or babae mean?
What's lalaki or babae means?
Yeah.
Lalaki is a male. Babae is a female. Ay, nako. Nag-vlog pa kami ba? Guys. Ang tawabalatin. Oh. Guys. Daming guys.